Hi, I am Dr Erdem Ozturk, founder and CEO of Productive Machines. I am excited to announce that we have just raised £2.2 million seed funding to bring our advanced machine tool process optimization technology to many more manufacturers worldwide. Our AI technology enables manufacturers to predict and mitigate the influence of harmful vibrations in milling processes and determine the very best parameters for each machine tool and production run first time, every time. So they can accelerate lead times and improve quality, productivity and sustainability. We are already helping major manufacturers to halve the time it takes to produce parts, extend the cutting tool life up to 30% and deliver significant improvements in surface quality and productivity. With this funding, we are expanding our team, establishing more go-to-market partnerships and making our technology accessible to manufacturers of all sizes, anywhere, as a fully automated software as a service product. We are excited to be partnering with UK Innovation Science Seed Fund, Innovate UK, Mercia Asset Management, ACT Venture Partners and Fuel Ventures to make this happen. Our technology is already best in class in a $400 billion industry that is ripe for optimization. And there are 3 million machines worldwide that will be more accurate, more productive and more sustainable with our AI.